Good day! In this video, we are going to try and solve question 2B of the 2021 NCEA Level 3 Statistics paper, Probability Concept. Without further ado, let's try to solve part 1 and then there's part 2. Okay, so the question like this. For people who attend only one festival, a model has been developed that predicts the festival a person will choose to attend based on the various characteristics of that person, including variables such as age, income, and home location. To test the model, a group of 214 people were surveyed and the actual festival chosen by each person were compared to the predicted festival from the model. So this is the actual festival and this is the predicted on the this is the predicted and this is the actual. Okay, so the table shows the result of the survey. Okay, so we have a total of 214. The first thing when you have a table, you always do the row total as well as the column total. So ideal there's 102 people, escapade 72, serendipity is 40. So if you do the actual, ideal has 97, escapade 65, and serendipity has 52. So calculate the percentage of the prediction that were correct. The predicted festival was the same as the actual festival chosen by the person. So you must be at this point here, 80, 25, and 5. Okay, because they are serendipity, escapade, and ideal. So what they predicted is what they attended. So the probability that is correct is going to be 80 plus 25, 80 plus 25 plus 5 out of a total of 214. If you put in your calculator, that will be equal to 110. This add up to 110 over 214. And the answer is going to be 0.514, or you want to put in percentage is 51.4%. If you can answer that, that will be an achieve. And now we will look at question 2. Part 2 of the question. Okay, so question part 2 is more lengthy. If you can answer them, it's going to be an excellent. So, comment on the appropriateness of the model for predicting attendance at the different festival. Support your answers with at least one additional calculation. So, at least one means you have to do one, but I'm going to give you all 4. So, if you look at this table here, again, we have transferred the total 102, 72, and 40 for serendipity. The actual people who watch ideal is 97, 65, and 52. So if you look at the data, only 25 out of the people predicted is 25, actually out of 72, actually attended the escapade. Similarly, which is come up to 34.7 or 0.347. If we look at serendipity, they predicted 5, okay, but only actually 5 out of 40, okay, who predicted to attend the serendipity actually attended it. So it's only 12.5 or 0.125. If you look at the rows instead, so if they attended escapade, okay, only 25 out of 65, okay, who attending the escapade were predicted to attend it. Or similarly, if you have 5, you look at serendipity, 5 out of 52 or 0.096 attended the serendipity festival were predicted to attend it. So these numbers here are all less than 50%. So to answer the appropriateness of the model, we can say this model has a low rate of prediction for overall. In part 1, we found that the overall was only 51.4%, as well as predicting attendance at a different festival. So you look at all these numbers, they are all less than 50%. So we say that this is not a good model for predict attendance at a different festival. If you can answer all these, 1 or 2 of them right, you will get an excellent. And I'll see you in the next one, question 2C of the paper. Cheers everyone and have a good day.